Now, there comes times when you're doing shoots with people that they're going to be wearing glasses. This is a picture here of how you should shoot it. So the eyes are clearly visible. We've got no distractions or reflections in the shot, so it's worked out perfect for me on this occasion. But you do get examples like this where we've got some of the softbox or whatever reflection it is in the glasses, and it can be a little bit off-putting, or worst case scenario, something like this happens and yep, it's not good. You're going to bin the shot most likely. But Portrait Pro and EVOTO both have a function that allows you to reduce, fix, whatever you want to call it, the reflections in glasses. Now we're going to look at the software from both companies in this video. Both are running, I'm running both the latest versions of each software as of Monday the 29th of April when I'm recording this video. And then you can see yourself which one works best for me and for you if you do the same thing. I'll leave these pictures as well, a link in the description where you can download them yourself, try them. If you haven't got an example that you can use, feel free to try the software and use these images, see for yourself, okay? And then make your own minds up. Now the link I leave below will give you the option, like I said, to use 30 exports or 30 credits to play around with as you please, and then export the video, export the pictures, and then there'll be no watermarks or anything. And then if you like the software from either company, go ahead and purchase it. Okay, right, as I was saying, we've got a good example, a little bit of a problem, and a major problem. So we don't need to be looking at this picture. Right guys, so we've got both software running at the moment. We've got EVOTO on the left hand side and we've got Portrait Pro on this side, and then we're going to jump straight into Portrait Pro version and see what we can do. Okay, so first off, we're going to try the really extreme version of the problem, and then we'll go into this section here, which is in painting, excuse me, and then we'll go into the options here where you've got, I guess I'm calling it 5 different strengths of fix. Okay, so strength 1, we get that. Strength 2, we get this. Strength 3, etc., etc. As you can see, I think what this software does is, we're just trying to fix that bit there. Maybe if we put the whole area painted. But I think what this software does, I'm not sure, I don't work for the company, so I can't say exactly, but I think what it does is it seems to try and create or recreate an eye or whatever it is it should see behind the glasses or the reflection. And it, for some reason, whatever you do, let's cut. I mean, I just can't. It might be me. I don't think it is, but I just can't seem to get this software to do what it's supposed to do. Now, if it was me in the company, I would have said, look, we can't do a good job with this feature we've added in. Just remove it. It's not working. Okay, so we'll load up the version that has got just a slight problem here. We'll go to remove reflections, automatic. That's done a good job. See, I think what it's done is try to, no it hasn't removed anything there. Option 2. So on something light like this, it's worked fine. There we go with it off. So with something extreme, it's going to struggle. Again, I'm just showing you what it does for me. I will leave a link to the pictures. You can try it yourself, and then we'll try it now on EVOTO, and let's see what they can do with their glass reduction on this extreme one. So again, it's done the same sort of thing. It's tried to add what it thinks should be behind the eye. Let's just bring it down just a little bit. Again, this is in beta. I would say off the bat, it did a better a little bit of a better job on that one. Again, worst case scenario, if it was like wedding pictures or something and you needed to give the client, would you give them that? I don't know. Again, I would just probably bin the picture and then never use it on anything this extreme. It's done a better job, but not brilliant. Again, this is in beta, so it might improve as they go along. Let's try it on this one here that has got a problem, but it's not a major problem. Excuse me. Glass glare, let's go 50%. Now, if you watch there as well, again, similar sort of effect to the Portrait Pro, but the EVOTO did a better job of understanding what was behind it and tried to fix it on this picture. Again, like I said, I would probably just bin the picture unless a client really wanted it, and I say, look, you know, I mean, probably a Photoshop wizard could do something absolutely amazing with it. I don't know. I'm not one of those people that are going to spend 15 hours trying to fix one picture. If I've got a quick fix there, I will use that obviously instead. So again, I'd probably put them, let's have a look. Option 2, 5. Now if we go into the masking and we just put a little bit more on there, how does that do? It's hard to tell. Let me just have a look there. I would say, let me just go all the way up on this one. You be the judge. I wouldn't like to say. This one has added more artificialness into it as well. You decide. I don't know. I would, you know, again, it's a feature that it's built in there. Would I use it a lot? Worst case scenario, yes. Who's done a better job? You decide. Anyway, just a quick video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget, if you want to try this software yourself, the EVOTO one, link in the description, 30 credits, enjoy.